It's Lori. While Ross was here, he got rid of, I had a whole bunch of slate up here holding this fireplace up. Well, he got that all cleaned off for me so that I have more space over there. It's been really cold. Ross is gone. And for out in my RV, I've decided I want to make a couple of Afghans. So I've been crocheting like a wild woman. Something to keep me warm out there. And got a few other things going on. Some of it in the living room, and I'll show you. Not sure if you remember or not, but a couple videos back, I had taken the jackknife couch out of the trailer and put in a foldable chair that makes into a twin bed, but decided to take that out and put the jackknife couch back in just because I've had such a rough time with my back. About the last 2 weeks, I guess, I've been down with my back. So I had the jackknife couch put back in. So I have two of these chairs that fold out into a twin bed. I'm going to probably sell them, but this one clicks into place. This backrest goes all the way down flat, or you can just sit in it like a little lounger. Anyway, I've got two of these that I'm going to end up getting rid of, and I got this to use in the trailer. It bakes, toasts, dehydrates, broils, and does rotisserie. Been using it. It works great. I love it, and it'll fit in the little cupboard in the RV. It's the Emerald Lagasse little stove. It's really nice. So I figure if I ever get solar or a generator, I can't decide which to get. That's all. Or if I'm plugged in somewhere, I'll take that and use it instead of using my propane. What else is going on? Canning. I have been canning like a wild woman. Not going to pull it all out, but I'll gladly show you. This is rice. It's regular long, no, it's jasmine rice. So I did a whole bunch of jars of rice, and I took my, back there, I don't know how well you can see it. Let's see, I'll pull it out. This is rice pilaf, like the rice-a-roni stuff back there. So I put 3 packs of the rice-a-roni in the jar, and I use 1 packet to 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and a couple of tablespoons of butter. That way it's completely sealed, bugs can't get to it, blah, blah, blah. I also did a bunch of beans, which you saw. I've taken my pancake mix, the Krusteaz pancake mix, and, oh, what's that called? Oh, here it is. The Jiffy corn muffin mix. And I put a couple of boxes of the corn muffin mix in the canning jars. And then what I did, I didn't can them because I wasn't sure how the heat, because it's a mix. So what I did was I used my food saver with the canning jar attachment, and I just use this thing to suck the air out, and it sucks the lid down nice and tight. So it's not canned, so to speak, but it is sealed. The other thing I did was in that stove out here that I was just showing you, I bought 2 of the big organic refrigerator containers. They're pretty big, of the spinach, the organic spinach. And I dehydrated it. This is 2 of those great big, they're almost, you know, they're They're pretty big containers. It's not the bag, it's the clear plastic containers. And I dehydrated them and also used the seal meal thing on it. And these are so good. They're like chips, like the kale chips. They are so good. So I can use those in omelets, soups. I can eat them just like chips. I could probably even crunch them up and put them in a salad, and the flavor is just amazing. Anyway, what else have I done? More of my burger, which what I do is I fry it up. Actually, Ross fried it for me, and I put it in jars, and then I pressure cooked them in my pressure canner for, I think, 90 minutes. I've also done more chicken. Look at that. Just plain chicken. And more cowboy candy. And then back in the way back, let me grab them. Some chicken. Here they are. I did just plain pinto beans. I don't think I've got any, well, there might be some bell peppers and stuff in there, pretty plain. I got lots of those done. Oh, I've been packing up an area over here in the pantry. Do that. To put stuff that I want to put in the trailer. I did pulled pork in the pressure cooker. I've got my mushrooms packed. My chicken, and then I've got burger packed, I've got stewed tomatoes packed, I've got pinto beans packed, I've got more hamburger packed and ready to go. There's also some hot chunky salsa for chips and salsa or chili beans or whatever I want to do, and then some other dry goods that are ready. So yeah, this whole area right here is all to go in the trailer. And I think I counted it up, and there's enough food in those 3 boxes right there. There's 1, 2, and then that one under there. 3 boxes. And I've got enough meals canned and ready to go. I think I said for like 14 dinners, and that's not including like if I do a hamburger and rice dish, because I haven't put my rice out yet. And then I'll take my pancake mix so I can have pancakes. Now I want to try to can my bacon, and basically what you do with that is you fry it or bake it, whichever way. Put it on parchment paper, single layer, and then roll it up and put it inside of a canning jar and pressure cook it. That way it's already cooked and it's sealed, and you don't have to keep it in the freezer and you don't have to keep it in the refrigerator. You're good to go. So yeah, I'm getting there. Kind of got slowed down because of my back. Like I said, I was in bed for a good week. And all I was doing was scooping up pellets for the pellet stove with a little 2-cup measuring thing, and just turned the wrong way and it put me down. Anyway, solar. I don't know what else I wanted to talk to you about. I know there was more. Okay, so like I was saying, Ross is gone, and I'm going to step outside for a minute. He was a huge help. All this cleaned off. I've ordered more pellets. That'll last me probably 2 years. And got the spa working again. There was some sort of a water pressure sensor or something that stopped it from working. Hopefully this week I'll get the rest of the bug stuff taken care of and get it put back in the shed back there. It fits in there really good. I had a rack on the high-low when I bought it, and it had this rack on it, and what it's for, or what I'm going to use it for, is to put a generator up there for a barbecue. If I get solar, then I will use the rack for a barbecue or something. If I don't get solar, then I'll use that to permanently hold a generator. Yeah. So we'll see. Trying to think what else. Oh, I had tables and stuff over here, and they're all gone. Got it all cleaned up. And that was a mess over there, and got it all cleaned up. Got my water jugs ready to go. Yeah. Been busy. Like I said, I haven't posted anything or uploaded a video because of my back. Doing pretty good now. Who's up on the spot? Doing pretty good now. Had to go to Merced today. Didn't want to, because the tags were due on my truck, the DMV, Department of Motor Vehicle tags. And I went online and paid it and didn't think another thing about it. Well, they sent me a thing saying, oh yeah, well, we'll keep your money, but you have X amount of days to get a smog done on it. I thought I had that done last year. But anyway, so I had to go to Merced, get that taken care of today. Oh. So yeah. That's been my last couple of weeks. So, I've got Christina out here in, I don't know if I showed you or not. She drives a motorhome. I don't know how big it is. And she just got back from Hippie Hole, and she's staying here for a while. She's got a daughter that lives in Merced, and I believe one in Sonora. So Christina's going to be here for a while. We're kind of helping each other out. Right now she's down because she's got fibromyalgia. She's not doing good at all. But we've been helping each other out, keeping each other company, checking on each other, feeding each other. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on here, what I'm doing and why, whether it be right or wrong. And that's about it. I'm going to get this uploaded. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back in the next video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.